this is what we're after here. This is an interesting tree called the SABA nut, and it has these cones or pods, and you walk out into your yard and you find they hit the deck and they break open, and we've got these beautiful nuts, and they taste a little bit like a hazelnut. They're a very high quality nut, and we'll go inside and roast them up and show you. So this is the cone here. Let me just, that's what it looks like inside.
Hi Sapote Saporium viewers, today we're going to review the SABA nuts. And I'm pretty sure you can roast them, you can just eat them raw, and we're going to try eating some raw, and we're just peeling back the shell now. The nut is very moist inside. It's like slippery, the nut is very slippery, and the outside of it is like a tough cookie kind of feeling.
It's very soapy.
Interesting flavor. It tastes like it's like kind of like a carrot and cucumber combination with a weird carrot kind of texture.
It's got this sort of flakes inside of it. It's kind of weird, but kind of cool.
Let's try another one. All around the SABA nut is a 6 out of 10 for me. I think if you had a lot of them and you cut them up, dice them, and you could put them in a salad, it'd be very good because it's kind of tasting like a vegetable except for it's being a nut.
I got something to say about the texture. It's kind of like when you get lettuce and it has that bit that's inside of it that's kind of crunchy.
Yeah.
That's kind of the texture, but a bit harder.
Okay, so that's the SABA nut. The boys were tasting the raw version of it, and it has a slightly sort of vegetable-y type of taste to it. Once it's cooked, it tastes really beautiful, a lot more nut-like, and you can actually roast it and eat the shell and all once it's sort of been dehydrated in the oven and cooked a little bit, or you can peel it, and it tastes a little bit like hazelnut and cashews and macadamias, a little bit in that family. So a really nice nut, and quite a pleasant looking tree as well. So that's the SABA nut.